Hi, this is Brian Codes, and today I'm doing a HacktheBox box called Boardlight. It's a Linux box, and we're going to go ahead and get started in adventure mode here. I already have my IP address. I already have it inputted into my OneNotes that has the name and all the other fun stuff. These are all my default kind of protocols and nmaps. So we'll now go ahead and look in getting this kind of set up. So let me just go ahead and get this export going on here. Ugh, keeps doing that when I copy paste. Okay, so now I don't have to put that specific number in there anymore, but sometimes I still do. So we'll now look through the open ports through TCP scan and see what ports are open. And while we're doing that, I might as well quickly look through this IP addresses, IP web server, whatever, 129.64.160. So here we have there, while we're running our nmap scan, we see that 80 is probably most likely open. And this is just kind of like just a regular website that leads to everything on there. Okay, so our nmap is open, so we got 22 open, which is SSH. We got 80 open, which is what we're looking at now. Since 80 is open, let's go ahead and run a FUF type of thing. So I'll take some of these protocols. I'll do a quick Ferox buster. Let me just put this IP addresses in here. Copy. Paste in here. Enter. While that's doing that, anything? If this doesn't work, we'll run a FUF. So we'll take a look here. There's nothing we can really use an SQL injection on. Oh, hello. We got the name of the box. We'll put this in our host file, 10.129.64.160 board.htb. Control X, Y, enter. Alright, that's done. So nothing here. I might as well create a FUF one too. Let me just put this IP address in here. We'll put board.htb. Board.htb. I'll copy paste this into a new terminal. This is just looking for directories. We just got that new board HTTP from down here. We got our IP address, and this is where my text file is in my computer. So we'll just look through that. This one still has nothing. These are just regular web page stuff. Oh, hello. CRM. So we can just do another sudo thing and go here and add crm.board.htb. Control X, yes, enter. Okay, let's go here. Let's do a new one. crm.board.htb. Okay, http crm.board. What is going on with my fingers today? Come on, fingers, keep up. Okay, what we got here? $17 whatever. Let's copy this because we're probably going to look for an exploit on it. I'm just going to type exploit And we got, see, these are all the same exploits. Here's an exploit DB. I'll just quickly look at that. Here's 2 GitHubs. I'll look at this one. We got an exploit right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and download it just right now. Oh, let me go ahead and do CD boxes, HacktheBox, CD, Boardlight. Now let me go into here, boxes, HacktheBox, Boardlight. Download this exploit. Put it right there for now. Okay. Okay. Sends out a token. Let's just look at this. Go back. Reverse shell exploit. We open our netcat and we run the Python exploit. So we just need a password, a login. We have our IP address. We have the HTTP already. I'll put this over here so we can create the Python script. Copy. So we'll go back to OneNote's commands used. So far I've only used this. I've used this. And I've used this. I have a lot here because sometimes, you know, some of these won't work and you have to do an alternative. So I got all my alternatives there for when I do my OSCP exam. I can go ahead and delete this since I've already found everything I need. And now I'll go back and get this. Copy, paste. It's Python exploit.py. Just double check everything. Okay. We'll put because I gotta also run a netcat. What did it say here? Let me get this. We'll do the netcat first. We'll set it at just 5555. We'll run some random. This is not where we want to go. We want to go to crm.board. Is that a comma? .board.htb. Delete. Now we just need a password, but let me go ahead and put this. And let me put this IP address, which is right here. Let me see if I can find any default creds. If not, we have to brute force this bad boy. Alright. So let's go back to the VBox. I got the script exploit ready to go. Everything we check first is admin, and admin password. So admin. Hopefully this works so we don't gotta brute force anything. Okay, what we got here? We're in. You try to access a page, area feature disabled. So we already current permission to log it can define $bar. I can't click anything else. What about up here? What's this? Just basic info. Websites. Tools. So it looks like we're gonna run this exploit then. So I'm going to just take a quick look. So we're gonna type admin into this area. Admin. Take this, copy paste. I like 5555 because in Thai language 555 means ha ha ha, literally. Let's do an netcat first. Netcat L NVP. Ha 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 ha. It's like laughing. I'm not in my. Hold on. Let me. Oh yeah, I am. Okay, it's listening on there. Let me clear this, and then we go to our boxes, and then Boardlight, and then we copy paste. Can I copy paste here? Ugh, why does it keep doing that? It does these extra letters here when I copy paste. Okay, crm.board HTTP admin. Let's just go ahead and give it a run and see if we can get in. Please, after successful, let's see if it's in. Oh, we're not in. We're not in. Let me just check this code again. So exploit.py, and I think the exploit's in here. So exploit.py, http crm board admin. We're in the correct. Are we in the correct? Wait a minute. Hold on a second. Wait a minute. I think I did something wrong. I think I'm supposed to put my IP. My IP is. Let me go back here. My IP is. Yeah, it's supposed to do my IP address, dummy. Calling myself a dummy. Because it has a callback to me. It's going to here and logging into admin, and it's calling back to my IP address. Why in the world did I put? That's my current IP address on Kali Linux. Let's go back here. We still got a netcat up and running, listening. Paste, go. That's doing its thing. Dang-a-lang-a-lang-a-lang. Okay. We're not in yet. But it's still loading. We're not in yet. I think it's still, I don't know. Am I on the right port? 5555. Am I right? Oh! 15.9, not 15.6. I hate when that happens. Oh, let me go back to OneNotes. It's 15.9. Am I dyslexic or something? Okay, copy. This is embarrassing. I'm gonna leave it in the recording. I'm not gonna edit it out. That's funny. Oh boy. 15.9. Let me just double check. Okay. I was wondering why it wasn't working, because everything else looked like it should be working. Okay, we're in. Let me see if I can get a proper interactive shell. Oh man, I didn't even show you. Yeah, I'm in. This is it. Let me go back to OneNotes now. Let me go to get my interactive shell from I need to see it better. Here it is. Copy. Let's get out of here. Then put this down right here. Now that it works, we know how to get back in. Now let me go back here. Put this in here. Nope, didn't work. Okay, let's get to the root. Okay, let's go to, maybe we go to home. CD home. Okay, we're in home. We got a Larissa. Let's see. Let's put our user here in our OneNotes. Larissa. Alright. I might as well. Didn't work. What's going on now? Stop that. Didn't work. Found Larissa. Alright. So I guess we'll just do a, we want to look for like some type of config file. Type D, I think it's a D. Change it, would you? D should name, and then let's do find. See what else we can do here. Let's go back into here, and then from here go back into here, because everything is denied in here. In home, we can't do anything in the home. Paste it. Oh man. Just take a look at this one too. Here, let me just exit this. We'll start all over here. And exit this, and then we'll do the same thing again. We'll get back in here. Oh no, there's no netcat running. Okay, we're in. Okay. We'll go CD here. CD here. This is where we want to be, I think. Yeah, right there. Cat conf. This is a directory. CD conf. Directory. Cat con f.php. What else can we do then? I guess I'll go just make sure I've made the notes here. Cat conf.php. Well, hold on. Wait a minute. What's this? What do we got here? Copy. Oh, hold on, let me show you. This. It looks like a user and a password. Let me copy. Let me go back to OneNote. I gotta try to remember to switch windows. I'll just put it right here. Just right here. So since we got this, and we have 22 open, there we go. Oops, what was the name? Dolly Baroner. Since we got our SSH open right here, we'll SSH in with this. So this is our new password and login name. Let me just put it down here for reference. So we're gonna SSH into Larissa at our 10.129.64.168, and we got our password, which is this. And then let's go. Copy paste this first. Let's go back to our VBox. Let's get out of here since everything's denied. Let's get out. This is the bad thing's gonna happen again right here. Oh, it didn't happen. Let me copy paste this password. Wait for it to do its thing-a-lang. 129, right? No, it's just 128. What? Dude. Why am I messing up these numbers? There it goes with the mistake again. Go this time. Yes, I'm sure. Yes, I'm sure. Okay, let's put this password in there. Server fun $2 $12,023 2 exclamation marks. Okay, we are now in. Okay, let me see here. Okay, let's go. Oh, there it is right there. Right here. Let's go ahead and cat this bad boy. Gotcha. I'm pretty sure all the numbers changed, so it's okay to show. Paste. Is it working? One down, one to go. It's always about PrivSec, so we're all. Let me make sure just I put everything in there too. In my, just so I can have how I did everything. All right, that's good. Let's go back here. All right. Let me go, because now we're going to try to find the SUIDs. Methodology. I know I have a SUID command somewhere. SUID. You can't see it, but I can see it on this window, so I'm gonna copy paste it, and then I'm going to make sure I put it in someplace easier. Methodology, important commands, add a page, SUID. I always want to add stuff so that when I get into it, I'll know exactly what to do. Okay, let's go back to our VBox and search. I could probably do linps too, just upload linps. But let's just go through here really fast. Okay, what the heck is this? Mount sudo unmount VMware enlightenment. Where's here? Let's go here. We already did this one, so we don't have to. Enlightenment PrivSec. Windows Manager version 2.3.1.2.2.2. Maybe we'll just try this one. I guess we'll just download it, and we'll just download this one then into our file, which is right here. This isn't SH. You gotta remember, this is the SH. What else do we got here? Let's just read a little bit of it. 0 day, not anymore, it isn't. App install enlightenment. Install some SUID binaries. Let's run. Interesting. I guess we'll just do a So we'll just get to root. So we have to, I guess we have to upload it into here, which means I need a Python server on 80. Let me make sure I put this on the thing. Copy. Go back to OneNotes. Go back to the challenge stuff. Open Python server. And since we need to upload, what are we uploading? Where is it? Here, let me show you what I'm looking at. Exploit.sh. sh Larissa at, I guess it's there, or is it mine? I think it's mine. It's theirs. Oh yeah, of course it's theirs. Alright, so we'll upload this bad boy to theirs. 129.64.160, and I guess we gotta put it in because normally we can't put stuff in the regular stuff. It won't run. You have to put it. You have to make your own temp file or something to that effect. Let me go back here. So I made a temp file, and we'll upload it to this here temp file right here. So let me take this code, and we'll just upload it directly into here. Why did I do that? Why did I put... Um, 64.160. No such file. Oh my god. What am I doing? Okay, I'm supposed to... Okay, so I'll take this here. I have to upload it from my box. Let's do this then. Let's get it from my box into this IP address, into the... Oh, I gotta get in the directory first. Okay, it's in there. And then let's do this. Password. Where's the password? Here's the password. Here's the password. Okay. Paste this. Make sure to... Oh god. Sorry guys. Ugh. Paste password. So basically I went back, because you weren't able to see it because I was dumb and I didn't change the OBS screen. So I had it, whether or not I created the temp or not, I had to go back into my own Kali Linux box here. That box is at Boardlight, and you see I had my exploit sh, so I ran this code to upload it into the Larissa IP address because I already had the password, and I put it into the temp folder that I created. It would have probably created it for me. And then now we go into here, which is the actual box. That's weird. I might need to try to find this directory then, because I can't find it. Is it uploaded? I thought it said uploaded. It's right here, it's uploaded. Did I spell it wrong? TMP. That's correct. Let me just try to run it, maybe I can't see it. Interesting. Nothing. Let's upload one more time. Password is this. Paste. It did it again. Here it is. Do I have to reopen it or something? Because there's only one temp file here. There's no other. I don't need this. I'm going back in again. What did I do? Oh, I SSH'd into the thing. Oops. Here, that's why it's good to have these notes. You can always look back. Did I push the wrong? God, did I do the wrong one again? I'm supposed to not do that one. When am I gonna learn? Oh. Aren't you letting me go back in there? There it is. Password here. Copy. Paste. Directory. CD temp. Directory ls. Nothing. Why? Why? Oh, why? Okay, I need to figure out how to get this exploit up here. Thought SCP would work. SCP is not working. It worked here before. I don't understand why it's not working now. Maybe I'll just do this. That's not what I meant to do. Why? No, that's right. So it's not working. Put the password back in there again. It's uploading. It's not Larissa at Boardlight. Do I have to do something else? Let me turn this off so I don't get confused. Okay, this is not working. It's in the... Okay, whatever. Alright. Doesn't matter. It was in this temp file, not the one that I created. It wasn't the one that they created. That's why. Oh, whoopsie. So let's go ahead and exploit this bad boy. Let me get out of here. To sh exploit dot sh. And then we'll do our ls if that works. Sh exploit dot sh. Am I in? Let me get my privileged. Let me get this interactive shell thing. Let's try to run this interactive shell. Oh, I keep doing that. Sorry, guys. Man, maybe I should restart, but okay. So I keep forgetting to change the OBS thing. So I did the sh exploit thing. I think I'm in root. Let me just try to get an interactive shell. It's in root, so as you can see, it's in root. So now I have a file. I have a way to find the flags really fast. Find hidden files. Where are you? Find flags short. I don't think you can see it. Maybe you can. This is a Linux, so we go here, copy, and then we go back to this, close it up. So this didn't work out, but this will work out, and then it'll help me. Let me not forget this time, and then paste this. It should tell me where the flag is. So right here, we already got this one. So all I gotta do, I can just cat this. I don't even have to go there. And there it is. Copy. Make sure I'm in. Paste. Done. Okay. A lot of at first, like, why isn't it uploading? And then it didn't upload to the temp file that I wanted to open, but it eventually got there. So that's it. That's good to go. Hope this video wasn't too long. Just kind of fast and furious. Thank you very much.